Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application where we show you how to link your Instagram account to the TikTok one. So let's go to this app, and unfortunately I need to say you that this link Instagram feature is very interesting, and because sometimes I have this option on my profile and on the next time it's disabled. So let's check if you really have this option on your account. If yes, let's repeat our settings. So let's go to the edit profile option and then let's tap on the Instagram feature. Here we need to choose allow and set our username and password. Sorry, but I need to save privacy, and wait a minute please. So I need to set our needful data to make everything in a good way. I need to wait a minute. Yes, I did everything successfully. Later let's tap on the save info option and allow. Well done, let's tap on the arrow, refresh our profile page, and we really have this Instagram link here. Let's tap on the bottom and we are on our Instagram. Perfect guys! Don't forget about likes and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and also on TikTok to find out more cool tricks about the TikTok and other apps. Bye bye!